Hi, how you doing? We are testing every single mask on Amazon, including kids mask. I hit the button, there you go. Today we're looking at the Ahotop. Sounds like an Egyptian god of some kind. Let's open up this box and see how it does. Let's make it so hard. Can't even see this box. See what I did there? So they're making any claims. They're saying this is a kid-sized KN95. I don't believe there's actually a kid-sized or a kid KN95, but they're not being disingenuous there because they're saying it's just kid-sized. So it's just a small KN95. That said, they're saying it's a KN95, and it is not a KN95. It is a fake, and I will show you what I mean by that. Let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to know more about how this thing works, check out this link. However, in very simple terms, we're using the N95 test that we have to keep compliant here to test this KN95, which is basically the same test that you need to do. And so that you can know if this thing is going to protect your child or small face. Now, the first thing I'll say about this is it's very, very, very soft, which I see a lot in kids' masks. They use this really, really nice spun bond. It's almost like actual fabric. Why do I say it's a fake KN95? Real quick. To be a real KN95, you need three things. You need to say KN95. You need to say the standard of KN95 you're using, which in this case is, there you go, GB 2626-2019, usually on the box, seldom on the mask. Quick way to tell if a mask is a fake. Needs to say that. Also needs to say the manufacturer name. In this case is, oh, interesting. Oh, here we go. Shenzhen Zong Tech Co. Limited. Yeah, a lot of times they don't like putting all those words on there because they're marketing to a Western audience. Really great. I knew it was going to be strong just by the... It came off both sides. Yeah, the ear loops are not great. I think that a child might pull them off. Cool, different colors though. There's different kinds of camouflage. So depending on if you're in the woods or if you're in the urban area, you can do different things. Your kid can really hide. Let's do the smell test. I'm going to call this smell a giant bin of molten polypropylene. That's a mask joke. That's what they're made of. Okay, yeah. I mean, pretty good mask. I think it smells just a little bit for my kids. And actually, if you notice, it's actually pretty big. So this fits me just fine. This would be a perfect fit. And I don't have a small face, let's say. So I don't know if this is actually a kid's size. I think that for my kids, this would be too big. One man's opinion. But does it matter if it doesn't protect you? That's what this machine is meant to tell us. 99.124. That is great. Now I did notice the airflow or the breathability was about 177. I like to see things under 150 if I'm going to use one. And for my kids, I want it to be closer to 100 pascals. That's just if you're going to use it for long term. If a kid's going to be breathing through this for 8 hours a day during school or whatever, they really need to have a more breathable mask. That's my opinion. That said, the scores check out on this mask. It's not a terrible mask. So, Ahotop, pretty good job. Pretty good job. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, your attention, and I will catch you on the next test.